friends, I have been busy all day today, and I canned the garbanzo beans. I cleaned out some of my cabinets. I've just been putzing around all day, and I want to make an easy dinner. So I'm going to show you how I do just a very simple sheet pan sausage, potato, and onion, roasted. So this is how I do it. I take a big gallon bag, 2.5 gallon bag actually. Depends on how much you're making. You can get by with one. And I'm going to dump the potatoes in there. Okay? And I'm going to also dump the sausage and the onion in there. Now I can't tell you cup wise. I just got a couple links of sausage and a nice little mess of baby potatoes and half of an onion cut up. So with that, I'm going to put pepper in here. I have lots of pepper. You know me and my pepper, I love this stuff. And then I'm going to do a little bit of my house blend, the garlic, salt, and pepper. Put that in there. I'm going to do a little bit of thyme, just a little bit of thyme. That flavors it wonderful. Just a couple pinches of thyme is all I put in there. And let's see, I do want some onion powder, and that is up here if I can find it. Let's go. Try the next one. There it is. I want a little bit of onion powder in there, just a little bit. Okay? That's it. It's that simple. Now I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil in here. Probably equivalent to about 2 tablespoons. Okay? I'm going to seal this bag up, and I'm going to shake the tar out of it. Get that all coated. Just shake it, and shake it, and get everything in there coated. Now you can put peppers in here too, but I didn't. I just did sausage, potatoes, and onions. Okay? It's all coated. Watch how easy this is. Dump it out on your pan. Spread it around. And that's it. It's going to go in a 400-degree oven until the potatoes are good and tender. And with that little bit of olive oil, they'll crisp up too. So there you have it. That's how easy a sheet pan dinner is. So when it's done, I'm saying maybe about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. When it is done, I'll be back and I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, friends, these are done. Ooh, and it's hot. And that's beautiful. Look at that. How nice is that? Now I got in here a little bit ago and gave them a good toss and moved them around a little bit. And they look wonderful. They're done. They're nice and tender. Perfect. All right, I'm going to serve it up. Oh, listen to this. Hey, Google, cancel the timer. I love it. I got a little Google Assistant. It was a gift to me. And I have a ball with that crazy thing. Okay. That's what I'm going to give my husband right here. This nice little plate. He'll love this stuff. Look at it. Turned out nice for a little sheet pan dinner. There you have it. Sausage, potatoes, and a little onions. You know what's really good with this too is a little cabbage in there. But there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.